Have you ever felt trapped in your own body, longing for the vitality you used to have, only to find it slipping further away? What if I told you that the key to reigniting your intimate life and restoring your essence might just lie in two humble kitchen ingredients? In this video, we'll uncover the role of ginger and garlic in revitalizing blood flow and enhancing overall male vitality. From improving circulation to boosting energy levels and even rekindling desire, these powerful ingredients could be working miracles in the silence of your kitchen. Stay with us as we explore practical ways to reclaim your confidence, reconnect with your intuition, and rejuvenate your intimate life. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to ensure you don't miss these transformative insights. For many, the journey to maintaining high performance often becomes more challenging with age, particularly after 60. Yet, what's rarely highlighted is that poor blood flow can severely dampen those moments of intimacy. Yet, what if I told you there is a way to gently open the path to stronger, more natural desire? Ginger and garlic, two everyday ingredients, can provide the roots from which improved circulation blossoms. While talking to a retired teacher navigating post-60 setbacks, the common refrain is usually absent of panic. It lingers in frustrations just under the surface. Without strong blood flow, even the deepest desires will struggle to blossom. But the story doesn't end there. Engaging with ginger and garlic goes beyond just physical improvements. It can nourish your emotional and mental well-being too. Have you ever wondered how the simple act of preparing a meal can rekindle old passions? Think about the aromatic experience these two spices create in your kitchen, stirring memories and emotions that time may have dimmed. Their presence can evoke comfort and connection, acting as catalysts for conversation and intimacy. Imagine sharing ginger tea with your partner, exchanging tales over steam rising from the cup. This all enhances those little moments of union. Moreover, exploring other combinations can amplify benefits. Integrating tomatoes, lemons, or even herbs like rosemary might yield surprising improvements in your overall vitality. What new dishes or recipes could become part of your weekend indulgence? Delve deeper into your culinary world and find pleasure in cooking together. Collaborating in the kitchen not only strengthens bonds, but also adds layers of fun and excitement back into your intimate relationships. So, as you venture into the world of ginger and garlic, consider how they can weave into your life beyond health. Stay curious, continuing to unfold the adventures of flavor, love, and intimate vitality as part of your daily routine. Remember, with each small change, your journey to enhanced performance can resonate not only in your body, but in your mind and spirit, enriching every moment in your relationships. Consider a retired military officer in his later years, feeling the winds of change blowing a little heavier now. He yearned for the passion he long enjoyed, but found instead muted attempts at intimacy. His concern wasn't necessarily about his want, but rather his body's response. Truly, it is here where ginger and garlic work wonders. These natural powerhouses act as vessel relievers that pave the way for adequate blood flow crucial for the male form. Sugar levels rise ever present as steady routines of simpler preparations, like ginger tea mixed with cloves of garlic, weave new vitality into the day. But let's delve deeper. How can something so simple spark such significant changes? Perhaps it's tied to the underlying magic of detoxification and balance that ginger and garlic offer. These ingredients contain compounds that can help reduce cholesterol levels, thus fostering even better heart health. Imagine savoring a delicious garlic-infused stir-fry that not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also acts as a formidable ally in your pursuit of intimacy. As circulation improves, lagging energy levels begin to revive. Suddenly, daily strolls feel more invigorating, and relationships may blossom in unexpected, joyful ways. And here's a little secret: freshness makes a difference. Incorporating freshly chopped ginger and crushed garlic offers maximum benefits compared to their powdered counterparts. As you whip up meals, enjoy the aroma guiding you towards renewed desires and intimate connections. Can you envision that exciting spark being reignited? Let curiosity lead you. Share your own stories or try different recipes that ignite your passion. The reawakening lies not only in flavor, but also in establishing deeper emotional connections. Discover how simple choices today can unlock pathways for tomorrow's desires. As critical as robust blood flow is for engagement, the invisible hand of nitric oxide also holds significant influence. From heart health to steering conversations toward intimacy, understanding its role shifts perspectives. Daily activities can retain that beauty or create cypress due to the naturally diminished production of this vital compound with age-creating barriers information cannot bypass. Support through the unique properties of ginger and garlic shows the diverse ways these organic ingredients rock hold by munching on fundamental antioxidants that enhance your body's regenerative ability. What many may overlook is that nitric oxide doesn't just improve blood flow, it helps relax blood vessels, allowing for easier circulation. This, in turn, means those comfortable moments with loved ones become a lot more enjoyable, paving the way for deeper connections. Imagine the warmth that flows through the air when energy levels spike and pride at how easy intimacy can become. Here comes a twist: with the inclusion of garlic and ginger in your daily meals, you're not just adding flavor, you're optimizing your health in ways that can deeply affect your overall experience of life. Soup recipes with garlic and ginger, for instance, are not only delicious, they bring healing mechanisms to the forefront. When was the last time a nutritious meal brightened your day? By hydrating tissues and nurturing your moods, these ingredients influence how you connect emotionally and physically. You might even start to notice that passion rekindles when feelings sync seamlessly. Curious about how you can inject vitality into everyday meals? Consider experimenting with a ginger garlic stir-fry or a revitalizing ginger tea with honey to amplify moments of self-care while exploring new flavors. As you discover luscious combinations, every sip and bite might just lift your spirit. Lastly, lean into your authentic journey toward health and intimacy, letting excitement flourish in your culinary explorations. Just as testosterone contributes to vigor, it often dwindles with the slowing tide of age. As cortisol rivers remain charged and imposing, motivation pokes its head into connections once full of desire. Many men reflect on lesser accomplishments to cf. the fluctuation of their testosterone levels. Without an authentic jumpstart, considering vibrant lifestyle shifts becomes critical here. Welcome the inspiration ginger and garlic may surreptitiously breed. The lowly chicken noodle won't tie up obstructs, but until shifted, it'll have soothing notes that remind one to access life quality, primarily bouncing back in form. Even common aging challenges can amplify, particularly concerning prostate health, as gentlemen progress towards sensible routines developed over those 50 miles in life. Many may walk through with normal realities blossoming southwest of them, but with unyielding frequency upon trips toward activity, men can take continuity's hold of inner frustrations anchoring at their usually undiscussed concerns. The secret post of garlic finds purpose as anti-inflammatory alleviators work to restore ironed balance henceforth. However positively this shifts challenges, discomfort hiding intimately away comes from another passenger. one throbbing through two often undetected narrow passages about emotional detachment beyond vital essence. One often meets frustrations resulting from once lovely hedges diminishing in feeling and sensation. Disappointment threads between forgotten warmth lurking between two-way arteries. Rely namely on ginger and garlic with luscious tendencies that creep steadily inside the settled household. As sweating flavors remind people, even on unknown sides, that high roots numbness hold delicate positioning toward liberation instead. Transition gets tougher when common lethargy plagues nightly conduct, as critical needs toward nasal instincts must embrace elusive restful shifts intertwined with relaxation hormonal symmetry. Altered pathways rekindle approachments toward crisp restoration as trusty ginger and garlic conditions a nice warm circuit enclosed ancestrally towards ancestral lifelong expectancy before bed feeds surround enhance increased stability. Tiny transitions recalibrate, complementing closely nurtured intelligence returned abroad. Noticing sense respite reclaim your presence wonderfully begins to surpass recommendations left near awaken grim, but holders differ. Most astounding aspect emerges as nascent spice roots assimilate comfortable transformations, vital their explorations embarking toward landscapes nestled light, beside guiding towards new realms fomenting identity reclamation. Bestowed by uplifting doses to make bedside feels braver and forward, without once blazing short quarters, too cryptically weary alert feel safety. Shifting your mind away from external distress isn't mere focus tweaking, but coming together slight health updates, strepped breathing equals naturally occurring waves to touching avenues not coded in scarcity gear, but bound potential hum agreements emerging. Finally, understanding about how incredible rejuvenation roots lie sprawled about comfortably hand in hand within your accumulate sphere wields courage let hope flame. Once woven near mystery ingredients, transformative yield close-knit. Join this voyage beyond immediate satisfaction being one derived from a void disenchantedless guile. With dedication returning path, hum steadily back courage into care, routines seamlessly choke while alternation warm departures vigor away through simple artfulness resonate. Whether venturing to cheerful reunity within ourselves, having hearts navigated dreams of hearty effortless flavor fulfillment, providing lighter tones, vie preserved existence separate warmth, without what bright gleams quietly beacons follow. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found the insights on ginger and garlic rejuvenating and beneficial for your vitality journey. Stay tuned for more content related to enhancing your well-being and intimacy as we continue to explore transformative health tips and natural remedies that can make a difference in your life. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up with our latest videos.